What if I told you I made my first $100 online using ChatGPT, without coding, fancy equipment, or even leaving my house? Sounds crazy, right? Well, let me show you exactly how I did it. Hey there! Willsoft Finance, and today, I'm sharing my real story, how I used ChatGPT to earn my first $100. This is for anyone who's ever said, I want to make money online, but I don't know where to start. Grab a pen, because I'm going step by step. Why I chose ChatGPT? I kept hearing about ChatGPT. People were saying, it can write articles, do homework, even build websites. But I asked myself, can I actually use this thing to make real money? I didn't have a big budget. I didn't have any special skills. All I had was my phone, free time, and curiosity. So I made a decision, I'd learn how to use ChatGPT for something simple and test if I could turn it into income. Step 1, finding my skill. First, I had to find out what I was good at. I asked myself, do I love writing? Can I teach people? Am I good at research? I realized, I'm good at explaining things in simple language. So I decided to start with something called freelance writing. What I did. 1. Went to YouTube, searched, how to make money with ChatGPT writing. 2. Opened an account on Fiverr and Upwork. 3. Created a profile offering blog writing services, with help from ChatGPT. Step 2. Creating my first gig with ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT, help me write a Fiverr gig for blog writing. Here's what it gave me. I will write engaging and SEO-optimized blog posts on any topic using AI tools and research skills. Boom. That became my first gig title. Then, I used ChatGPT to write my gig description, generate FAQ responses, suggest keywords to help people find me. And guess what? In 3 days, I got my first message from a client. Step 3, delivering my first job. The client said, can you write a 500-word article about the benefits of morning routines? I had no idea where to start. So I asked ChatGPT, write a blog post about the benefits of morning routines, in a friendly tone. In seconds, I had a full article. Then I read through and personalized it. Added examples from my own life. Made it more human and relatable. I sent it back to the client, and guess what? They loved it, and paid me $15. Step 4, repeating the process. Now that I saw it worked, I went all in. I repeated the process for 5 more clients. One wanted a product description, ChatGPT helped. Another asked for social media posts, ChatGPT again. I even wrote YouTube scripts using ChatGPT, just like this one. Slowly but surely, the money started coming in. Day 1, I earned $0. Day 5, I earned $15. Day 10, I earned $40. Day 20, I earned $100 plus. And the best part? I was working just 2 to 3 hours a day. Lessons I learned. Lesson 1, don't be afraid to start small. That first $15 felt like $1 million to me. It gave me belief. Lesson 2, ChatGPT is your partner, not your replacement. Don't just copy and paste. Use it to generate ideas, but add your personal touch. Lesson 3, consistency beats perfection. Some days, I got no jobs. But I kept showing up, improving my gig, and learning from feedback. Other ways you can earn using ChatGPT. Let's say writing isn't your thing. No problem. Here are 5 other ways you can earn. 1. YouTube scripts, write for YouTubers like me. 2. Social media captions, help small businesses with posts. 3. Ebook writing, create short guides and sell them. 4. Resume writing, use ChatGPT to create CVs for people. 5. Business name ideas, I actually made $5 naming a business. Part 8, final words plus motivation. So there it is. I earned my first $100 online using ChatGPT, and no, it wasn't magic. It was a curiosity, action, a consistency. If I can do it, with just my smartphone and data, you can too. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Just start. Let ChatGPT be your assistant. Let your brain be the boss. And let your work speak for you. If this helped you, do me a favor. 1. Like the video so others can see it. 2. Subscribe for more real, simple money-making tips. 3. Comment below, what's stopping you from making your first $100? This is Willsoft Finance, and this is just the beginning. See you in the next video.